Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item by Ryobi. I did purchase this myself and they did not send this to me. Just to let you know, fair and transparent, if you do purchase this item, I do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase that. It costs you nothing, just to let you know. So this is an item to make holes in your door. So if you have a door that needs a hole, you need this kit here. Really easy to use, super easy. And this is the standard size 2 1/8 inch circle here. So this is a combination. It says wood or metal. And this makes the hole for your handle, for your doorknob or your deadbolt. And this one here makes it for your cylinder, for your door lock itself, for the deadbolt that comes out of the door that locks into the striker plate. So they come with 2 saws. And this actually is a jig or a template that you would put on your door. And this opens and closes, so you have different size doors, a little thickness, you can adjust that. Also, the setback, you have 2 3/4 or 2 3/8. Those are the standard size for setbacks for all the deadbolts that you would purchase. So you have 2 different options available for that. This does go back and forth. That's how that works. You can see how this has a little space. You can move this back and forth to get that depth configuration. 3 easy steps, really easy. Once you have this installed, it's really easy to do. You basically put 2 screws. Let me just show you right here. You would put the 2 screws here on the door itself, and that sets it into place. So now you cannot make a mistake. You drill the hole right through one side, put your hole for the side for the striker, for the deadbolt here, flip it around, do the other side. The 2 holes will exactly match, so you can't make a mistake. And that's how that works. Again, measurement free, very, very easy to use. Comes complete here. A couple different kits that are available online. You can get just a wood door, or you can get the combination that does wood or metal. If you have a metal door, you would need this one definitely. And this is a great item. Again, Ryobi, high quality item. This works fantastic. If you're looking to add a deadbolt, or if you have an older door that has a smaller hole in it, sometimes some of the older homes have a smaller hole and you have to enlarge it, you would need this kit as well to increase that size. So let me just show you the close-up of the saw so you can see the teeth, how it works. It comes with all the attachments. It comes with it, so it just attaches right to your drill, and very, very easy to use. So this item comes with everything. Like I said, it comes with the saw, it comes with the drill, it comes with the drill bit, it comes with everything, so it's all included in the kit. So you don't have to buy anything else, you're good to go. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe right down. I do appreciate that. It means a lot to me, as always, and I'll see you at the next review.